So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in local security policy. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to expand local policies. Now you're going to click on security options. And now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, we're going to find network security LAN manager authentication level. We're going to scroll down till we get to network security. We're going to find LAN manager authentication level. Double click on this. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the drop down. You're going to select Send LM and NTLM. Use NTLM v2 session security if negotiated. Select this and then click on OK. And now for the next step, we're going to go with minimum session security for NTLM SSP based. There's going to be 2 of them. You want to go with the first one only. Forget about the second one. You want to go with the first one. Double click on this. Now once this comes up, you want to untick require 128-bit encryption. Untick this and then click on OK. Remember, just do that for the first one only and not for the second one. And now we're going to restart the computer and then the problem should be fixed.